Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing both devices. Power the Yeelight and make it enter pairing mode. Many models require a power cycle or long press. On your iPhone, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the phone is connected to the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi network as the lamp, not 5 GHz. Open the Yeelight app, sign in or create a Xiaomi account, and tap Add Device. This starts the local pairing handshake that the bulb and app both need to exchange network details. Once the app discovers your device, you select the exact model so the app applies the right protocol. You must grant location and local network permissions on iOS. Without them, discovery can fail. Enter the Wi-Fi SSID and password precisely, case matters, and confirm the network is 4 GHz. The lamp will receive credentials and attempt to join. If the app prompts for a firmware update, allow it. Updating fixes compatibility and makes the final connection more reliable before you continue to finalize settings. You finish by naming the Yeelight, assigning it to a room, and testing basic controls, power, dimming, color. If everything responds, integrate with HomeKit or voice assistants as desired. If pairing fails, try the most effective fix. Power cycle and factory reset the bulb, reboot your router, and confirm the iPhone is still on 4 GHz. Then retry pairing. This reset and retry step resolves most issues because it clears previous credentials and ensures a clean handshake between phone, app, and bulb.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.